Hello, my name is Rolf from Ottawa, Ontario. The Canadian Tire Tested for Life in Canada program sent me the Paderno Stovetop Kettle. Hi, my name is Rolf. Today I'll be reviewing the Paderno tea kettle for Tested in Canada. As you can see, it's a very stylish red tea kettle here. Nice thick bottom. I'm not going to touch it to burn myself. It's very stylish. It's lightweight, and I just put this water on with cold water 4 minutes and 10 seconds ago, so it boils the water quick too. I love Paderno, so I was very excited to get this tea kettle. I got the Paderno pots and pans. I got Paderno can openers. I like anything Paderno, and this is not an exception. Now, let's see how water turned out. Let's make a cup of tea here. Forgot. I don't like tea. Next time I'll make hot chocolate, but nevertheless, great tea kettle, good looking, and made the water hot. I would definitely recommend Paderno Stovetop Tea Kettle to family and friends.